facade business is very unique and quite special in that the needs of the markets that we serve are ever developing and evolving.
Island is say a facade envelope like fabricator. It feels like what makes us unique is that we do design all the way through, like install, and all of that process is in-house. So we're able to fabricate the trucks, deliver, then do that whole process, which helps I think keep it a little bit more streamlined.
At Island Facades, I think that we've garnered a collection of designers and engineers from across multiple fields. Those are folks that are very much interested in taking the design side of things and working it through full fabrication.
Island manufactures on over just about 50 acres, 7 buildings with a multitude of disciplines, including CNC fabrication for both extrusions and metal panels, steel fabrication, 2 assembly halls, and a GFRC facility.
Everything that we do is located here at the headquarters in Calverton, which is unique. There's nothing that's being done outside of this campus, which also makes it very beneficial to have a large facility or space out by the office where we can produce and set up visual mock-ups. This is our carousel, as we call it, because it's a 4-sided, spinning, rotating visual mock-up stand that we can mount any type of project assembly to show the customer what the final assembly will be looking like. The entire shop is reconfigurable based on the size and shape of the unit. Some units are narrow and long, but sometimes we have oversized units that are 10 by 20, 10 by 30. So we can manipulate and reorient the shops to make wider bays to run different unit sizes down the line.
Our design and innovation team is really the tip of the spear in our research and development of new materials, new methodologies, forms of delivery.
The nature of fabrication is rapidly changing. We are investing in automation tools in the shop floor that are digitally driven, robotic welding, robotic sanding, automated forming of panels, etc.
The 660 Fifth Avenue project was one where we had the opportunity to deliver a very large format glass panel. I would also make mention of the American Museum of Natural History, a very complex multi-curving stone facade. One of the things that I'm most proud of is when the team is able to collaborate across a very diverse group of individuals to find and deliver solutions to complex challenges.
I think that approach is really about collecting the best people in the industry and giving them an opportunity to grow.